we actually, we had a good net on it, and we made 92. I raised
Yes, right.
92 or something,
92, right.
and that's what we needed, And I'm really happy that we managed to score 92, and we managed to restrict them within like around within 30 runs or 40
23 runs.
runs.
Yes,
So this is actually very good for us, and I know everyone is very high on their knees now, and they're gonna perform in further matches as well and make our team win.
yes, we are, and it was a great innings to watch. I'm sure all the people who are watching us live on YouTube, they might have got a complete paisa vasool performance from Mr.
Thank
Sunny
you.
because it was a great one to enjoy.
Thank you.
And yes, you are the man of the match.
Thank you.
And very shortly, we'll be presenting you the man of the match trophy
Thank you.
also.
Thank you so
And
much.
congratulations and all the best for your future matches.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. It's been a pleasure. Thank you.
हेलो 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 माइक चेक हेलो 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 माइक चेक माइक चेक
बॉल को हाथ नहीं लगाना, बॉल नहीं पकड़ना बेटा। अरे अंदर आ, अंदर आ, चलो। ए सोहेल सोहेल अंदर आ, मैं लेता हूँ। बैटिंग चालू हो गई है। हाँ कैपिटल मध्ये करायला लागला।
जर्सी पेन का आ जाओ अंदर।
स्कोर क्या हुआ भाई? सालिक कर नाम मत बोल सारी टीम को प्लेयर है Good evening, Mateen. This is the second game of the day between Santa Cruz Warriors and Pioneer Boys from the Group 2.
And Santa Cruz Warriors, I think, is in a much of hurry. I think they lost only 3 wickets. I
They
guess.
lost early wickets. They should have at least stayed on the crease. Yeah, strike batsmen. Star batsmen are already out, it seems. Only Sahil and Harun are on strike. Sahil is a very good batsman. He's played lots of cricket in his entire career.
They are creating pressure on the.
Oh, great fielding! Great
Pioneer
fielding.
Boys-
The Pioneer Boys have created
Really,
a
really
great
good.
impact on since day one.
They got a good start and they are maintaining it. Now let's see how far they go in this tournament.
Yeah.
They started with a win in this tournament.
So are we in the start of the power play over?
Yeah, this is the power play. Yeah, this is the power play over.
You see Santa Cruz Warriors struggling against the Pioneer Boys.
And the
Bavis,
power play is
Bavis,
over.
Bavis,
Power play
Bavis.
is over. And the score is only 22 runs.
I think the Santa Cruz Warriors are too slow.
If they need to win against the Pioneer Boys, they need to set a big target against them.
Yeah, I guess they need to break the shackles.
Score is 3 overs, 22 runs. They lost 3 wickets.
As you can see since the start of the Pioneer Boys in the tournament, they are thinking a bit out of the box. Like their fielding is a bit different from the rest of the teams.
And he goes for a biggie, but successful. It lands just before the fielder and it's managed to take one run out of that. And Sahil, if Sahil stays on the crease, then clean. You never know. Sahil will set a big target against Pioneer Boys.
He is known for his
Difficult for them.
he's known for his big hitting.
Yeah, but and they call for 2, but great fielding by Pioneer Boys.
This Hassan
Managed to
knows.
stop them for 1.
25 वाले 25.
And he goes for a good biggie, but that is
Another loss. Another loss.
out.
This is what creates pressure on the Santa Cruz Warriors.
And they are losing early wickets, and no one is staying on the crease for long. They should at least stay on the crease so that they get the rhythm and then they start hitting.
Now Rizwan from Santa Cruz Warriors has come out. He plays Harun.
Let's see how these two take the team ahead.
Pioneer boys have got a great start.
The Santa Cruz Warriors 4 batsmen already in the hut.
Four strike start actually.
And it just got saved. Great work by the captain behind stumps. I guess he'll get the tag of the Dhoni of the tournament. He's in the last record of taking 5 stumpings. It's a very great thing to do in a match.
He's the Dhoni. He's the KCL of
Half the team out.
He's the Dhoni of KCL. Zishan.
The captain Zishan is managing the field very well behind stumps. Now the score is 25 runs.
At the end of 4 overs. At the end of 4 overs.
The score is 25 runs.
At the end of 4 overs, the score is 25 for 1.
15 runs per over.
Yeah, to get to a respectable score.
That taken. And great fielding, great throw by Zishan. Great collect by Zishan.
And another wicket goes down.
Santa Cruz Warriors are losing quick wickets.
Wickets going down in a hurry.
And Mustaq White walks into the crease. He's a very experienced batsman of Santa Cruz Warriors. Now the entire team would be relying on. That team would be. That team would be relying on Mustaq. Now let's see. And he starts with the wide. Mustaq facing the second ball.
And he goes for a good shot and he takes a single. Balls at the second. Manages to play only one.
Yeah, hi Salman.
Hi Shakil bhai. What do you think about this match? The way
Ah,
the Santa Cruz
it's
Warriors have
so-
started, they lost 5 early wickets.
It's fun watching these Pioneer boys, the way they are dominating the field. In the earlier match also, you know how they got the Lokhandwala out completely. ये देखो यही ऑब्जेक्शन होता है देखो. Yeah, so Salman, that's what I was telling you. This team is a nice balanced team, and it got all the way for 6.
Great batsman by Mustaq. And he successfully clears the boundary. I told you, Mustaq is a very experienced batsman. He knows where to hit.
Yes, and especially Salman, when you come from one losing. Oh, that was a lovely try,
Mustaq just got saved and good running by the batsman.
38 runs at the end of 5 overs.
At the end of 5 overs, the score is 38 runs. And finally, they've got a
Good over.
in their first innings. This is the first big over for Santa Cruz Warriors. They've got
38, 5 overs, last 12 balls to go. They should at least get
30 runs in the last 12 balls.
This bowler which has come to the bowling crease right now, he's the mystery bowler.
He's holding the second over.
And one bowler is allowed to bowl 2 overs and the rest 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
This is the mystery bowler for the
This is
Pioneer
the rule of
boys.
KCL. One bowler can bowl 2 overs and the rest have to bowl 1, 1. By that way they come out to 27 overs.
here. Great fielding by Pioneer boys. They have not had any misfielding and
They've looked a very compact and
let's see what
compatible
Mushtaq
side
will
since the
do.
start.
New bowler. He apparently the strike bowler. Mushtaq by his innovative style and he goes for a good shot and they call for the second and they manage to
Oh, he's given him.
and
He's
Sahil is out.
he's out. He's out.
One run shot means they've not got any run. Sahil is out. It was easy to, but they get one run shot, and Sahil didn't manage to reach the crease in time. And the fielder bowler collected the ball and Sandal six down. Started to strike. Nothing more. I think started in this crease. He still managed to get a big score. And
Oh, what a save! What a save! Great fielding, great fielding, great attempt by the fielder.
but he managed to get two.
The Pioneer boys are too committed in the field.
Mushtaq is the only batsman for Santa Pioneer ball.
Yeah, thank you, Mateen. Yes, we are seeing this match in a 50-50 mode. Pioneer boys are actually giving their 100%, but it's too early to say which is the side which is in a better position. And this is another wicket. These Pioneer boys are doing spectacular on the field. They are just picking up wickets.
Shakil bhai, let me tell you, Scientific bowlers have also got great bowling attack. Never know.
Yes, it's a game of cricket. You know, you can never know the result in the last delivery of the innings. But if you just see the ground realities, because you know there was much big expected from the Santa Cruz Warriors. We expecting they put a total of 70 plus on board, make the Pioneer boys run for it, whatever be the result.
Let me tell you, Shakil bhai, both the teams have a balanced side. Both have equally good bowlers and batsmen as well as fielders. Now,
Yes, Salman, but
target they get and create their strategy over the
yes, Salman, but I would tell you, looking at the earlier matches of both the teams, I would still tell you that the Pioneer boys are looking more committed on the field. Because see, this is a delivery which generally you don't see in underground cricket format. Rarely you get such deliveries to be seen.
over the innings. And they can't afford to waste ball.
It's a one declare. The ball is gone out the field. Ball.
One declared by the umpire.
Ball.
One run added to the team total. End of
Ball
the
है
sixth
लगा
over.
भाई.
The end of the sixth over and the score is 42. Now I think Shakil bhai they should at least get some 18 runs in this over to set a respectable target.
Yes, Salman, definitely a captain of.
Otherwise, Pioneer boys will easily get the target by taking only singles and doubles. They don't even need to go for big ones.
Yes, Salman rightly said. But definitely, if you talk about the Santa Cruz Warriors, and if you talk as a captain of the Santa Cruz Warriors, definitely you will be looking out for a decent total of 65 runs on the board. That will be a defendable total. But yes, Salman, as you said, they require at least some 18 runs to be put more on the board to come for a.
Captain of the team himself is on strike. Imran
Yes, especially Salman, when you said that you want another 18 runs, the Santa Cruz Warriors should put another 18 runs on board to get a respectable total. But I have seen in the earlier match the captain Imran, though he's a very good batsman, but he is still struggling with his form. He is not in the bestest of his form. So yes, today he has to show his form if we really want to see a good total being put up by the Santa Cruz Warriors.
Yes, Shakil bhai, definitely. He should play a captain's inning today to let his team reach the total.
Yeah, we do expect such innings, but such innings only come up when you have loose bowlers on the end, and you know when you have a team like the Pioneer boys who've been so spectacular in the bowling, in the fielding, they have not done mistakes on the field. So in that context, yes, we need the Santa Cruz Warriors to come up with a flyer in this last over. They have to come with some magic has to be done by the captain Imran himself.
And the seventh overs are about to begin and the last over. Let's see how far they go in this innings.
Oh my God, that was a good delivery. That was a good delivery. And
Signal by the umpire. One run added to the team total.
43 on board.
5 balls remaining in this over. 5 balls remaining in this inning They should at least get 2 biggies in this over.
And Zaid goes all the way. Oh my God, that was a drop. But and so that was good running. Yes, especially yes, Salman. Especially when you have a dot ball, then you have to do something like this. Oh, that was another good field. That was another good field. That was a good hit, a good field, good throw, and a complete package.
Great thinking by Imran. Great thinking by Imran in the field. He was confident that he'll reach and he managed to do that.
Yeah, Salman, but that was a fumble on the bowler's end. Otherwise, that was a wicket too.
But it was a cheeky do and taken by batting team.
That was a huge hit up in the air. That's gone all the way for a six.
Great batting by Zaid in the end. And the captain himself is very tight that he is
Umpire.
55 on board.
We are about to see that. They are about to reach a total of 60 with a decent score on this top. Good fast ball.
And that is a fumble. That's a wicket.
That is out.
And it. Kitna score? So 56 on board. 57 is required by the Pioneer Boys to win this match.
Santa Cruz Warriors have managed to score 56 and given a target of 57. Now let's see.
Well, Salman, we've seen in the earlier matches, 56, 57 is a decent score to be put up.
Well, Shakil bhai, this is the fourth day of the league match from thank our sponsors, Bombay Paints, Sugar Rush,
Zia's Developers.
Naraji, Paddy, Shisha, Shivas. Let's just thank them, and this is the fourth day.
Yes, without these sponsors.
I would like to congratulate you as well. This is the fourth day. And what do you think how the journey has started? How is it going? What do you have to say about this league?
Well, Salman, to be very frank, I would, though you have complimented me, but without my team, it includes everyone. Though you actually have been playing in my team, but as an organizing team, you've played a very vital role in that. We have Mateen, who's done wonders in this tournament. He's also the organizer. We have Nadeem, who is actually, unfortunately, he's away from us. He's abroad. He's coming tomorrow. And yes, it is the matter of a complete management team who have made this successful. And yes, I would congratulate all the teams. They have maintained a good conduct. They've played well. They played fairly, and they have actually participated in. They've given 100% to make this tournament successful. And in future also, we hope that.
Yeah, we got to see great spirit in this game. Great
Yes.
Spirit.
And one more thing I would tell you, Salman, that this is not the end of this tournament. The KCL has already put up plans to put up an overarm tournament, which is going to be. We are shortlisting some big grounds, and tentatively we will be doing an overarm tournament in the month of October. And yes, after this tournament, we'll be taking admissions for that.
Yes, Shakil bhai. As we've seen in this league as well in the initial days, how this team has supported each other. The supporters have come up in numbers, and in like take an example of Mandilia 11, how the captain's dad is standing behind the goalpost, supporting his son, supporting his team.
Salman.
Ball to ball. It's a very good spirit shown by the players, even by the supporters.
Salman, I would really have to tell you this thing. I know it gives me goosebumps, when especially even if I am playing and if I have my son or if I have my father or someone cheering me on the field. You can imagine that cheers definitely matters a lot. But what pressure comes on your head? You have to perform in front of your own. So but definitely that is a booster too, because we've seen Atif, his father is like always, pampering him on the field. He's always telling him, come on, Atif.
Yes.
Still, even on a bad delivery, he cheers him up. So that is what gives him an extra boost.
That is what we want to see in this league. Support. The Stings are supporting each other. Great spirit. And the point what you said about getting nervous of playing in front of your dad, but we are showing it live on YouTube, so the entire world is watching you. So the pressure automatically goes away because
Yes, yes.
your entire family.
And especially Salman, I should thank even the Andrews Turf people, the Infinite Sports, with the way they made this turf. The minute you step on this turf, you feel that as if you're in the 1KD or you're in the Adelaide. It gives you that complete finesse of the stadium, and it gives you a lovely, lovely feeling of playing cricket over here. And I would tell you one more thing: this underarm format is a way, the way these teams are enjoying playing this format. It's become so big, which I cannot comment.
Yes, yes, Shakil bhai.
पहले मैच वही अंदर चाहिए कि कोई नहीं क्योंकि अभी क्या है उन्होंने प्लेइंग 11 अलग किया नहीं सब्स्टिट्यूट किया लेकिन वैसे सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं होगा सब्स्टिट्यूट वैसे नहीं होगा क्या करने गए
वही प्लेइंग 11 पूरा मैच का होता है हाँ हाँ तो भी सब अलाउड ठीक है तो वो अलाउड नहीं है अलाउड है ना वो तो पहले जो प्लेइंग 11 है वही खेलता है पहले वही खेलता
लेकिन इसमें बैटिंग नहीं
का मतलब क्या हुआ मैच को वो किसके दोनों मतलब दोनों सनी के पहली मैच कभी थी
अपने साथ थी
तो अपनी मैच में
तो जाओ ना हक वाला
ओ भाई कैमरा को ऐसे बुलाओ फटाफट चलो जो मैच चालू के बुला जाओ खाली 1 मिनट पकड़ो मैं मंगा लेता हूँ यार चलिए वन मोर करके
So here we have Sunny, the man who has made Mandalia 11 in a very comfortable position in the Pool A. Sunny, you have been the man of the match in 2 matches. One match against Sands finishes on the 18th, and today I would be honored to give you the trophy of the man of the match. Sunny is a man of the match for today. This is the trophy we've given him for today's match. Today he's the man of the match with a spectacular innings of 63 runs on board and making Mandalia 11 win for his score. Sunny, tell me, how do you feel?
I'm feeling very proud. I'm feeling so honest and like I don't know. I have no words. I mean, I wanted to perform better and better, and it is getting better and better day by day. Thanks to my captain, who keeps so much faith in me. And there's his youngest son. I mean, Arif, their youngest son. He always says, "Sunny, please perform today. Please perform." Since 2 matches, he just keep telling me all this. Sunny, please perform today. And I don't know how come. Inshallah, I'm performing because of
Sunny,
his
you are saying performing better and better. 63 runs already scored. What better you want?
I have no words for this. I mean, it was just a good day for me. That's
Chalo,
a good day.
no problem. We congratulate you and thank you very much for your performance. It was so entertaining that we were back here at the stands. We were entertained 100%.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, but before you leave, we have to present you with one more Man of the Match award. We have this small cutie pie with us. He is going to present you one more Man of the Match award for the 18th.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Sunny, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Chalo, Allah Hafiz.
Thank you.
Yes, back Salman back on the field. Yes, what are we seeing now? We have
Shahrukh is the bowler.
we have the Pioneer boys in the field, and that was a good nick by Kazim, taking single. 5 balls bowled on the first over, and we have 3 runs on the board for the Pioneer boys.
Last one of the over. Shakil bhai, what do you think about the start? Have they got a good
Well,
start, steady
Salman,
start?
it is too early to say, but yes, these people have that art of this cheeky singles. Salman, the score which is put by the Santa Cruz Warriors is not a big total, as you also earlier said. It is just 6 runs in the first over. It's just 6 overs in the first over. If they just maintain their 6-7 average and just take the odd deliveries, wait for the extras,
They just need-
this is a chaseable target. And yes, what we've seen in the earlier matches, these Pioneer Boys side, they have a batting side too.
Yes, definitely. They need to score about 8 runs per over to win this match. And one to lose deliveries, so go for biggies, go for shots, and then definitely you have extras. So you need to maintain that record, run rate of 8 runs per over.
Yes,
And that
Salman.
should be the
Yes, Salman, but I will tell you one more thing that they need not go for the biggies because a twos in 1 over, two of twos in 1 over will make them very comfortable in the field. They need not go for the ugly ones.
yeah, definitely. And Noori is a very good bowler. He's got a great track record in the past. He's the main bowler of the team. But they need to concentrate on singles and doubles. That is the key to the success victory of this match. And they managed to take 2 runs. And Noori with the third ball. He's a very good. He's got magic in his hands. Now let's see what it does on the third.
But Salman, I will tell you one thing in this underarm format, Magics, and that was a good field by Faraz
And great shot by Faraz. Otherwise, it would have gone
for 8 runs. Yes.
He saved 7 runs for the team. Team cheering Faraz, and it was a great attempt by Faraz.
Yes, yes, especially Salman, if that would have been an 8 run, the whole table would have been changed.
Good shot by Kazim. And he calls for the second, but no, good call by Kazim in the end.
This Kazim is one
Managed to
player
stop
which
them from a single.
Kazim is one player which we've seen, Salman. He has played well in
He's
the earlier
experienced,
matches.
He looks experienced.
He opens the ball, he opens the bat, and he plays sensible shots. It is very, very important for the Pioneer Boys to have him on the field for long. And that all the way. That's us out. That's a wicket.
And that is a wicket first breakthrough for Santa Cruz Warriors. Noori gets them the breakthrough.
Oh my God, the Pioneer Boys would not afford to lose this. They have lost their key batsman.
Shakil Bhai finally gets their first breakthrough in the second over. And it was a great connect by the batsman, but he couldn't manage to keep it inside the top. It went sailing over the fence, sailing over the net, and it was out of the ground.
We can just see the amount of ground support the Santa Cruz Warriors have.
Great support from elders to kids. All are in support of Santa
These
Cruz
boys are
Warriors.
so
Even-
committed. These boys are so committed. Even if they have a little low score, they have not lost hope. They are dominating the situation. Yes, and they have left no corners in curtailing the Pioneer Boys.
And as I told you, Noori is a great bowler, and it's an attempt for a catch, but the umpire denies it. And this shows their love for cricket, Shakil Bhai. What do you think about?
Yes, Salman, this is another pressure tactic. You know, when you appeal, the umpires fumble, and at times umpires have been known for giving wrong decisions, and that is how it is. It falls in the favors of the batsman.
But Shakil Bhai, I'll tell you, these umpires are highly qualified.
Yes, they are
They are
medal.
humans,
They are
tend to
medal
make
winners.
mistakes, but these umpires are
These are medal winners umpires, especially
umpires
bought from the MCA.
So they won't afford to make mistakes.
Yes, Salman, but they are in the end. At the end of the day, they are humans, and humans tend to make mistakes.
But let's,
You cannot blame them because they have to be so concentrated, and there is so much of cheering in the ground, so they get distracted.
umpires will have to go home and see whether they've given it right or wrong because as
Aha,
we've done
they
in
have
our
to
league,
play.
We don't have the review system.
Right. They have to just build up their conscience by just seeing that what was wrong or what was right.
Yeah, but the teams which are playing, they are showing good spirit by listening to the umpire decision, and that is the main basic rule, the important rule of this tournament that umpire decision would be the final one. No one will argue with umpire.
Yes.
And great rule by that. Great rule that. Hats off to you for that rule.
Yes,
All the credits to you.
Yes, Salman, very true. I know. Basically, because this tournament, if this rule wasn't implemented, this wouldn't have gone to this extent. You have to leave it to the umpires because we cannot keep on challenging them. Because if the rules are challenged now and then, it is just going to be more and more confusion on the field.
Confusion on the field, waste of time, and the, but we'll have to give credits to all the team members, team captains, to listening, abiding the rules, listening to the umpires, playing in good spirits.
That is the respect what cricket has. You know, the umpires has the highest respect on the field.
And Shakil bhai, we are playing as a family. All are our family members, close ones. So, Shakil bhai,
2 overs have been bowled. Mushtaq comes on the field to bowl.
the third over is the power play over. I told you Mushtaq is a very experienced man. The main, I can say the star batsman, star player of the team. He batted well. His ball was very good.
Yeah, he has good hands on the ball. I have seen him. I have played with him. I know he has good hands on the ball.
Kilba is only 8 runs in the first 2 overs, and they still have a big target to achieve. And the way they started on a slow track. Now let's see what do they make use of this power play over. At least get 10 to 12 runs in this over. As you can see, there are only 2 fielders in the deep, which the rule also indicates that only 2 fielders can stay on the boundary line. Rest of the fielders have to come at 1 fielder. But Mushtaq, I don't think he'll let the batsman free his arms. He won't allow the batsman to go for big ones.
Yes, Salman. This is a stage where they have to dominate the situation by keeping all the ones and twos in control, the biggie ones in the control.
But I tell you, there is no need for the big ones at present. They should just concentrate on ones and twos. As you can see, there are big gaps where Sandu bowlers are given. So they should only concentrate on ones and twos. That's the only strategy they should adopt to win this match. And on this turf, if you go for big ones, unless you're confident, you should never go for it. You should always keep it to the ground. And
That is another dismissal.
I told you,
Caught behind.
I told you, as far as Mushtaq is on the crease, the team is never losing. He is a very good experienced, very good batsman, bowler, fielder. He is a complete all-rounder. He is the star of the team.
Yes, he is a complete package, you can say. He has good hands on the bat. He has good hands on the ball.
Taking a wicket in the power play over.
And he has dismissed, he's been instrumental in dismissing Kazim, who has been the star player of the Pioneer Boys.
Yeah, the experienced player of the team.
Salman, I can see that. I can see pressure. I can see pressure on the Pioneer Boys.
They are already looking tense. Now they need at least 2 good overs for their time.
But still, Salman, I will tell you one thing. If they keep on rotating the strike and if they maintain their singles and doubles, this is not a target which is not achievable, because pressure building on any side will give you the opportunity to score. And if you don't succumb the pressure, then you are in trouble.
Exactly, as I told you, it's a game of ones and twos, and as it was seen that the game can change even the last moment in last over as well. Even if you need 20 runs in the last over, it is achievable. As we saw,
That was a good nick.
11 versus
Good nick.
Superstars match. They managed to score 22 runs in just 4 balls. They won the match keeping 2 balls in hand. So anything can happen.
Yes, anything can happen. We have seen 36, we have seen 38, 40s, what all scores we have seen.
Yeah, in yesterday's match.
So, totals are defendable. Totals are obviously defendable. You have to have wickets. You have to take care of, especially when you have the specialized bowlers bowling. The batting side has to keep a watch. Let that over go by just scoring singles, doubles, not taking any undue risk, not going for any biggies. Overs will come because this format has 5 bowlers to be bowled, 6 bowlers. Only one bowler, a specialized bowler, can bowl twice. So definitely there is a part-time bowler who is bowling. The Pioneer Boys have to be watchful. They have to see who's this part-time bowler and then bang on him.
Exactly, Shakil bhai. As we saw it yesterday also. Just wait for the loose balls and then go for biggies. Otherwise, just concentrate on ones and twos. As we saw in the yesterday's game, the match got over in two overs itself. The Superstars team took full advantage of the bowler. They went for big ones because they were confident, and the bowler managed to bowl loose deliveries, and they got the target in only 2 overs, which helped them in getting the net run rate to a very good margin. So I tell you, Shakil bhai, cricket is a funny game. Anything can happen. You can't predict what is going to happen till the last ball. Unless
Yes, Salman, completely agree with you. We have seen batsmen who have been specialized in batting, not scoring. You can see the yesterday's Lokhandwala match, Lokhandwala versus Pioneer Boys. How the Lokhandwala Lions had completely had a debacle. They went all out. You see the Sands finishers, they went all out. You see Pioneer boys, they lost a lot of wickets. So yes, even in such a format, we have teams who have lost wickets like anything. So wickets do fall in this format. So it is not only that always a batsman has the advantage.
And Shakil bhai, as we saw, see, you have to wait on the crease, you have to be patient now. They managed to take a single on the white ball, so that is 2 runs added in the total without any ball getting wasted. So these are the bonuses what you have to wait for. And I tell you, it is still managing.
It's a leg by the umpire.
Leg by single by the umpire, and it's still a gettable total. So the batting team have to be patient and have to be on the crease, not lose
Leg buys. Oh.
not make unnecessary mistakes. And
So viewers who are watching us on Tennis Cricket Live with Kings Cricket League, you are watching us live on YouTube. Special thanks to our sponsors Bombay Paints, Years Developers, Sugar Rush, Niton Valves, Shisha the Sky Lounge, Paddy's the Saloon, and in between there was another good shot. Score? 17 is the score, and they steal another single, pushing them to 18. This is the fourth over going on.
Shakil bhai, I tell you, they've got a very slow start.
Yes, Salman, and that was in the air. That was a lollipop catch given, and we. Huh?
And they get one more wicket, easy catch there. Great bowling by Santa Cruz Warriors. Shakil bhai, I told you, Santa Cruz Warriors have got a great bowling attack as well, and you can never say.
Yes, Salman. They have a good batting side. They have a good bowling side. There was another leg by.
You can see the pressure what Pioneer boys are going through. They are not able to connect the ball. It's 4 overs now,
Hmm.
and the score is
19.
score is 19 at the end
थोड़ा
of 4 overs. Shakil bhai, what do you think? Is it credible in 3 overs?
Well, 3 overs and 38 runs to be scored in 3 overs. Salman. 19.
Shakil bhai,
38 in 3
runs
overs.
in 3 overs. What do you think?
Salman, if you tell me, I can tell you 38 is a score which can be got in only 1 over 2. It all depends how
Yeah, that we saw yesterday.
Pioneer boys, we have to see how they take it, because even if you see 38, it is in this underarm format, 12 odd runs per over, 13 runs per over is not something which is not gettable.
But Shakil bhai, yeah, 38 in 1 over is a very difficult task. See, because Santa Cruz Warriors
Yes,
got
yes,
great
sir.
bowlers. Yeah, in yesterday's match, we had loose bowlers, we had weak bowlers. That's why
It is not only about bowling. I told you earlier also. It is all upon depending on the batsman. Even the best bowlers gets hit with a we've seen Yuvraj Singh. We've seen Bravo. We've seen so many of them hitting. So basically, see now this is what is going to change the
This is
scenario.
what I was telling you about. Shakil bhai. Be patient on the crease. You will get runs. The team will give you runs. Now they've got 2 runs for free without any ball getting wasted.
And that was a no
ball
ball.
signal
This
by the
is
umpire.
this
And
is
they get a
what
free hit.
this is a free hit to the Pioneer boys.
So now they should utilize. They should fully utilize this opportunity, and they should go for a 6. What do you think, Shakil bhai? Now they should actually go for big ones.
Yeah, this
They need
is
at least one big one, and like
this
that,
is
need to have 12 to 13 in an over. It's a free hit now. Let's see how the batsman utilizes. And free hit. The batsmen, the fielders are standing in the deep. And he goes for a big one but doesn't manage to connect the ball, and they only manage to take a single. Free hit wasted by the batsman. He went for a biggie but couldn't connect. Now bats being changed now. Let's see what
Yeah, he is called for his magical bat now. He's called for his magical bat, it seems. Let's see now what his magical bat is going to do on the field.
Shakil Bhai, as we've seen in matches as well, it is. I can't say it's a hope or something else, but when you change bats, you lose your wicket early. And he goes swing of the bat, but couldn't manage to connect it. Ball, it's a dot ball. Great bowling by Sahil. Captain is looking happy, and Pioneer boys, they are under pressure. They just have to score a big target.
But Salman, I'll tell you one thing. The captain Zishan has to take a call. He has to tell one of his batsmen to go for bigs. And
26 runs, Shakil Bhai.
Zishan, the captain Zishan of Pioneer Boys, has to take calls. He has to make them run for.
Great commitment by the captain there. Great fielding by the captain. The captain is setting an example for his entire team that this is the way how you're supposed to show your commitment. And that's a run out. Great work by the bowler there. And that's a clean run out. And the bowler does an excellent work in the deep. I'm sorry, the bowler does excellent work in the crease. And they need 30 runs in 2 overs.
नहीं वो करते ही देंगे वो प्लेयर उतर गया ना बैट्समैन हो जाएगा 2 ओवर तो है 2 ओवर आराम से 15 मिनट में होएगा
And they need now Shakil Bhai 30 runs in 2 overs. I tell you they had a very slow start. This is the reason why they are not able to reach there.
Well, Salman, we have seen some spectacular performance from the Santa Cruz Warriors. Initially, they were looking a bit disturbed when they actually went in the first over, but yes, immediately they capitalized the situation. They dominated their bowling completely. The batting was a bit shaken, but yes, in the bowling part, we can see.
Mushtaq is again on the crease. He's bowling. I'm telling you, he's the man who changed the tables for his team. He's the man who got his team into confidence. He's the man who got his team into a comfortable position. He's a complete all-rounder, Shakil Bhai, I tell you. And look at his way of heading the field.
Yes, his body language is saying his confidence. He knows where he's going to bowl, which fielder is going to field it. He is taking complete control of the situation.
This shows the confidence and the greatness of a player. That shows his experience. He's played lots of cricket in his life.
And that was a big hit, and that is gone all the way towards the boundary, but again there is a fumble, again there was a single steal.
And it's 2 runs. He managed to take 1 run of the overthrow. Good shot by the batsman there, but it couldn't reach the boundary line. Now let's see how Mushtaq goes his next ball.
Akil is taking a runner. It seems he's got some injuries. He has some trouble in running, so he's opted for a runner.
Again a discussion with the bowler. And the final boys team is cheering him up.
We have tremendous support of both the teams on the ground, and
They want their team to win.
let's see now. Captain Imran taking a nice break towards the boundary fence, getting hydrated, and now he's back on the field with his best of the performance. He's been spectacular on the field.
It's commendable to see the commitment by the captain himself.
Again, that was a loose connect. And good running between the wickets.
Good bowling and good fielding by Santa Cruz Warriors. Shakil Bhai, I think they've taken the game already. I don't think
Yes, Salman, this game is slowly drifting towards the Santa Cruz Warriors. It's drifting towards them. But we still need to see how this thing is gone ahead. And that was again a good fielding by Irfan on mid-on. And that was another single steal by.
Quick double run.
misfielding, direct hit cost them a run. So now again we have Akil on strike. 25 required of 9 balls. Best bowler at the bowling, best batsman at the batting. Let's see what happens. Again, that was a good nick, directly to the fielder. Single, 8 balls, 24 runs required. This match is drifting towards the Santa Cruz Warriors, Salman, I would say.
Yes, definitely, I told you. They were strong bowling attack. Their bowling attack is much better than the batting side. And they look a balanced side. Though they lost only wickets to their batsmen, they performed according up to their caliber. But now they've fulfilled their bowling and only one run taken. Shakil Bhai, this won't help Pioneer boys, I'm telling you. Singles won't help them. It's the end of the over.
1 over 23 runs.
And
22 runs in 1 over.
We need 22 runs in one. Shakil
Do we need another Wahab on the field, Salman?
Bhai, Shakil Bhai, everyone's not Wahab.
Or we need a Wahab or a current innings over here, because this is the last over. 22 runs required. Pioneer boys have to just go for the big ones. They have no option left. Every single would bring them more under. अरे हाँ भाई, तुम इतना कंटिन्यूसली मत बोलो भाई. अब एक बार बोला तुम्हारे, घड़ी घड़ी मत बोलो यार.
22 है 22 भाई, फास्ट कराओ ना. And Shakil Bhai, I think Faraz is going to bowl the last over.
Yes, Faraz is also a nice bowler. And see how cleverly the captain Imran has preserved him for the last over. This is a pure tactic. Imran has taken the right decision, keeping his best bowlers towards the end, trying the part-time bowlers, and that was another loose ball. There was another loose ball. There was another good ball, and we've lost a wicket. 5 balls, 22 runs.
None of the things managed to go behind the crease and is given out by the umpire. Now they need to score 22 in 5 balls. Goodbye. And Shakil Bhai, I'll tell you, Captain Imran has really strategized well. He's given the best bowlers to bowl. He's given his best bowler to bowl the last over. And
that was a huge hit, and that's gone all the way for.
That's out, Shakil Bhai. Good clean catch. Great work by the bowler. Great work by the fielder there. And I should tell you,
This match is now gone very, very, very much towards the Santa Cruz Warriors, Salman. Now it's becoming impossible for the Pioneer boys to pull this back. 4 deliveries, 22 runs. You can imagine this is going to be something, we need it. We have to have some great entertainment now if we want to see some biggies coming from the Pioneer end.
Well, Shakil Bhai, I tell you, there are only 4 balls left and they need to score 20. They have not even managed to score 1 run in the start of this over. They've lost 2 wickets and 1 more ball wasted. Now Shakil Bhai, this is looking impossible unless they bowl over no ball or they go some extras. Now 22 in 3 balls is impossible unless they bowl a no ball, which is very difficult in Andaram. Though we've seen many no balls, but still.
And was a wide ball.
And that's a run out.
A wide ball and a wicket on the wide ball.
And the captain is walking back to the pavilion. A new batsman walks in. Waiting for the umpire to signal. Wide. Santosh, wide है ना? Wide दिया ना? Run भी counted. So white ball by the umpire. They get 1 run. Now they make 21-3. And it's a batsman leaves crease and
One more down.
behind the stumps and great bowling by Faraz.
Now it's all over, Salman, for the Pioneer boys. They have to now accept the victory. Captain Zishan has to accept the victory. He has to accept that he's lost it completely. They gave their best on the field, but finally now they are.
Well, Shakil bhai, 21.
दो बॉल कितना रन 22 ना
2 balls, 22. 21 runs required on the last ball. Now it is all over for the Pioneer boys. So yes, we have Santa Cruz Warriors now opening their account by winning the first match in their pool. Chalo, it's all over. Pioneer boys have lost this.
Congratulations, Santa Cruz Warriors. Have a good evening, good night, everyone.